Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Sidia and I do hair videos, makeup videos, and a little bit of fashion. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well as that bell button below so you get notified whenever I post new videos. So today I'm going to show you some stuff that I've gotten a little bit, probably like 2-3 weeks ago. I would say a collective all. So I got some stuff from Goodwill and Forever 21. Pretty much that's it, I think. So we're not gonna ramble too much, just gonna get right into it. So the first thing I want to show you guys are some jeans that I got from Goodwill, because that's where I get all my jeans from, especially vintage jeans, high-waisted jeans, baggy jeans, because I can get the Levi's, the Banana Republic, you know, those hard, sturdy jeans. So I got this one from Goodwill. This one is oversized. I post a picture on Instagram in this one already, so I'll insert a picture so you guys can see how it looks. So this is from actually Banana Republic, and this is in size 8. I love the wash of this, and it fits so nice. It's like a little bit baggy but still like cool and sexy at the same time. So I love this one. I love the wash, I love the fit. Then I have another one I got from Goodwill as well, and this one is from Eddie Bauer, and this is also in a size 8. I love this thing, and I kind of roll the bottom so it just give this more cool, you know, cool thing. And yeah, I have another one. Where is it? Let me go and find it. Okay, so this one I wore again. There's a picture on my Instagram. I'll insert it. This one is very oversized. This is in size 12, and I was going for that look. It was really, as again, the picture will show you how, you know, the kind of vibe that I would wear this. I'll also wear this like on a chill day with some sneakers or some sandals and wear like a crop top, so you kind of have that Alia kind of vibes. But this one is from the original, is from Talbot's or Talbot. I can't pronounce the word. Again, I got it from Goodwill. So these are the jeans that I've been wearing. Not a lot, but I've been wearing. Still moving on from Goodwill, I got 3 other things. It is 3? Yeah, I got 2 shirts and 1 skirt. So let me go to the shirts. Yeah, I got this shirt. And I tell you, when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, this is beautiful. I love a silk shirt. 100% silk. I feel like it just gives this classy, sexy feel, like you don't really have to do too much because the fabric and the quality of the clothes already speaks for itself. So this, I love to get my silk shirts from Goodwill, because in store they're so expensive, and you can find like different patterns in Goodwill. So don't sleep on Goodwill, guys. Literally, don't sleep on Goodwill. So this is in a, there's no tag, but I'll show you guys how this fits. I got this other one. You know, animal print is really in right now, and brown and stuff, and I'm really loving neutral recently. Not recently, probably a year or 2 ago. I've been really loving neutral, but I love this again. Silk, anything silk, just say me. I love it, you know. That's it. I got this skirt from Goodwill. This is originally from H&M, and I think it's in size 2 or size 4. So like pleated skirt. I'm really trying to get into wearing skirts. I don't wear skirts. I don't wear jean skirt. I don't wear like long skirts, and I'm really trying to step my fashion game up when it comes down to styling pieces like this. So this is the reason why I saw this. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna buy it. Kind of made me, because I'm so small and petite, I feel like these stuff maybe look like I'm 12, so maybe that's the reason why I didn't really buy them. But I'm trying to step out of that comfort zone and kind of be like, you know, a girl gonna be 30, why not just 30? So yeah, I really like this. I love the color neutral again. Then I got this vintage dress. When I bought this, I had a little bit more weight on me. I don't know how it's gonna fit because I lost like 10 pounds. Girl, life, you know. But yeah, I love this. A style of dress is really in right now. I saw it on Pretty Little Thing, Forever 21, Misguided, ASOS, Nasty Gal. I saw these type of with a flare, you know, that I think most of these stuff I got like $5, $7 the most. I think the jeans I paid like $7 for them, but like dresses and stuff was like $6, $5 on the shirt. So this really love, really love. I don't know where I'm gonna wear it, because probably somebody needs to take me on a date so I can wear this. That is all the stuff that I got from Goodwill. Yeah, is it? Yeah. So let's move on to Forever 21. I went to New Hampshire the other day, and when I stepped into that Forever 21, I'm telling you, like, I was like, it's the first time I've ever been to a Forever 21, and it was so easy to shop. Like, I don't like shopping at Forever 21. I get anxiety and I just walk out. But when I walk, I was like, oh, this nice, this nice, this nice, this nice, this nice. So let me just show you guys. What should I start with? Actually, I got a few things online. So I'm gonna show you that those first that I got online that I didn't bought in store. And I got this top. This was $28, size small. When I bought the stuff on Forever 21 online, I got a 15%, was it 15% or 10% code? So I got a little percentage off. Can I say I don't like Forever 21 shipping? It took almost 10 days. Like, it's in America. Why should it take that long? But anyway, enough about that. I love this top. This style of top came from House of CB, and I really like. I can't afford House of CB price, so I'll stick to my Forever 21. I know Pretty Little Thing has a style like this as well. They have it in different colors, but I think on Forever 21 they only had the black and the white, and I chose the black because that's just me. Was this dress? I'm so into silk, or anything looks silk, satin, and the slip skirt. I'm so into it for summer. So I got this because it looks so sexy. It's a little bit different from the rest of the slip dresses that I have. I love this detail right here. It makes it a little bit more feminine, even though this style of dress is already feminine, but it gives them a little bit more sex appeal, because sometimes slip dresses doesn't form fitting. It kind of loose, so with this little extra thing going on the back will make a little bit more sex appeal to it. So I like this. I really like this. This was originally $27. I think this was on sale for $17 when I got it. And yeah, it's a size small again, and I love the champagne color. They had it in the black as well. If I can find anything that I have, I'm gonna put it in the description bar. If not, I'll just put like similar things I can find like on other websites and stuff. So let's go to the stuff that I got in store. This slip skirt, I love this. I love the fit. I love everything about this. This was $19.90, and it's in a size small. I love this. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Then I got another slip skirt, sorry. This was $20 in a size small. This one fits a little bit different from this one. I think I might cut this one into a shorter skirt. I just feel like it will look better with the color shorter. So, and it's a little bit longer than this one, so I think I might cut it. I'm not sure as yet, but we'll see whenever I wear it. And I got this slip dress. Woo! This was in an extra small. This was $22.90. I love this. This is perfect for a date night, like a chill date night with the boo. But take my soul. Take it. So that's that. I got this black one. This is really nice. I love this. I love this dress. This one was $24.90 in a small, buttons right here. I'm not too fond of this, like, what do you call this? I don't know what it's called. I don't know, but I'm not too fond of this, but it still look nice. And me with my no boobs, kind of, you know, I can wrap these things and have no trouble. And then I got this one. Oh my god, this is the one that you take out for the boob. This is the color that makes it be like, woo, who is this? I love this. I love the fit. I love the length. I love the color of my complexion. And this one was $22.90. Actually, these are all from their beach collection. So if you go to Forever 21 right now, they have a collection, a beach collection, or like a vacation collection that is bomb. Wish I bought more stuff, but a girl gotta save her coins. But I'm telling you, go to Forever 21 and look at their beach collection, because that thing is the first time I can say Forever 21 has really nice stuff. Let me get into this is the one that you bring your bait on a vacation and you go like probably to the evening dinner, you know, that night dinner, and you say, babe, let's get ready to go up to the beach, we're gonna go to dinner. This is the dress. you go out to a dinner, a vacation dinner with a babe. This, when I saw this, I was like, can I go on a vacation now? Right now? This is so beautiful. The fit, the color, everything about this is so nice. I really, really love this. This was, I think this was the most expensive thing that I got. This was $34.90 and it's in a small. I'm gonna try these on. I can't wait to try these on so you guys can see. Then I got this bag. This bag was $22.90 and I would wear the bag like this. It's really cute. Let me come closer so you guys can see. I would wear the bag just like this, but it has a strap. I don't think I'll wear it with the strap. Well, maybe, but more likely I'm gonna be wearing it like this. So this is so cute. I love small bags. I don't really like big bags, so this is so cute. So cute. Then I got these glasses. I don't know. I don't know if they fit me. My face is so small, so they kind of look big, but these were $7.90. Let me just show you guys how they look. So this is how they look. I don't really like this part right here, but I like the size and the shape of these glasses. Actually, they don't look that bad. They don't look that bad, right? I got some headbands. I think these were like $4.90, and I don't wear headbands, but I'm like, you know what? I'm trying to be a little bit more stylish for this summer. So I got these. I love the print of this one, and as you can see myself wearing these on vacation as well. So this is one. This is really nice. I love this. And then this other one, I don't really want to put it on my head so my makeup can mess it up, but this is the other one. These are so nice. These are so nice. So yeah, I got that. Let's go to shoes. I got two shoes. Got these sandals from TJ Maxx and they were $29.99. These are originally from Steve Madden. These run really, really small. I'm normally a size 6 or size 5.5, size 6.5, and I had to get them in size 7. These are nice. Like, this is just perfect to wear, grab and go, and I love the print. It can style with any and everything. So yeah, then I got some sneakers because a girl is gonna be working out, and these, I think I got these on at the Nike outlet for like $29 or $30, and these are just for me to just work out in, nothing special, just to work out because a girl gotta, I'm trying to stay fit, okay? Trying to stay fit and gain some muscle instead of fat, so we'll see about that. Okay, so I totally forget to show you guys these sandals or heels that I got from Forever 21. They were originally, I think they were like $27. I don't remember. I'll put everything, I'll put the link because I think these are still available, and these are so comfortable. Like, they're so comfortable. I think I'm gonna get the nude because they had the nude in it. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys this because I totally forget it. So yeah, that's the end of my little collective haul. I hope you guys like this video. If so, give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment below, let me know what's your favorite thing and what you will be rocking this summer. And yeah, I think I'm gonna be doing a video styling these pieces. Yeah, I will be doing a video styling these pieces. So yeah guys, take care and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.